Hi student, today topic is aggregate functions. So these are different types of aggregate function: count, sum, average, maximum, minimum. So I will create a table and then I will discuss what do you mean by count, sum, average, maximum, and minimum aggregate function in SQL. So this is the table which I have. So it has customer ID, amount, mode, and payment date. Okay, so let us do this first and then we will go ahead. So how to do it? First go to server, then post URI, and this is the query tool. Let me create a database. Create database, for example, payment 123. Okay, payment 123. So let me create this database, payment 123. So let us run this. Create database. Oh, spelling is wrong. See, sometimes we have some bugs. We have to remove these bugs. Now it is running successfully. Okay, now where can I see these things? Go to database, refresh. Database, refresh. You can see the payment is added here. Cross sign, you please click here. And now go to this query tool. Let us go to this database. Now I'm going to create table of payment here in this database. Create table payment, customer ID, amount, 10 means maximum 10, two decimal places, variable character 50, and payment date. Let me run this query here, running successfully. So let me insert some values here. So I'm inserting some values here and inserting the into payment. Payment is the name of our table. Customer ID, you have to just copy this from here. Next is amount, mode, payment date, and then values. And just inculcate the values. Let us run this. And if you want to see this, select star from your table name, that is payments. Select star from payments. You can see this table has been created. Okay, now I want to use these functions, they're known as aggregate functions in SQL: count, how many, sum of the amount, average of the amount, maximum of the amount, minimum of the amount. It's very simple. You just write this query, that is select count star from payment. Select count star from payment. You can see here there are 5 total number of columns. You can see 5 number of columns. So when you run this, it will be counting number of columns. Right now it is less, but if there are more, then it's easy. Now let us run the second one, that is total sum of this. So select sum in bracket amount from this table, total sum. Let me run this query. So 335. Total sum of these amount is 335. So amount 75 plus 45 plus 120 plus 60 plus 35 becomes how much? Is 335. So these are some aggregate functions. Let us run more. I want to see the average. average amount. So average amounts, very simple, select average in the bracket amount from this table, and you can see the average is 67 point so 0. So you can reduce this also by putting comma 2 comma 3 how much you need decimal places. Okay, so this is the average of what amount? Average of 75 plus 45 plus 120 plus 60 plus 35 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the how we calculate average. I'm talking of arithmetic mean where we add all this and divide by 5. So these are just making the calculations easy. Now if I want to see the maximum, you can just run the query as maximum amount. In this maximum, you can see it is 120. So 120 is our maximum amount. It is showing which one is maximum. Last is minimum of from this table. I hope you can guess now what is minimum from this table. So let me first run this, and the minimum is 35. You want to check this, let us select this, and you can see the minimum is 35. So these are known as aggregate functions in SQL. We have discussed this. First, creating table. I have inserted the table, and in this table, I want to see number of payments. I have seen here total sum, that is summation, then average, then maximum, and then minimum amount from this table. So first create a table, insert the values, and you can use these aggregate functions, aggregate functions in SQL. I hope you understood. It's very simple. These are known as aggregate functions in SQL.